Hey guys, how are you? I think everybody's safe at home. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin gnocchi, homemade gnocchi with pumpkin sauce. This is real Italian authentic recipe. This is my homemade gnocchi. Use the baked potato, flour and egg. Just only 3 ingredients and very easy to make at home. You can make anytime, you can make it for the dinner or lunch, whatever. It's so delicious. For the gnocchi, main ingredient is potato. You can use boiled potato or baked potato. But my suggestion is use baked potato because it's giving nice and strong flavor to your gnocchi. That's the perfect way to make gnocchi. So I already have baked potato. You can see it's nice. So first of all, remove the skin from the potato. Use peeler or knife or whatever you want, but if you cook properly, you can remove skin very easily. One potato, around 100 grams. Then I'm using knife or fork for mash it. Don't mash too much because it will mash automatically when we make in the dough. So brush it a little bit. You can see it's dry and cooked properly. Add salt, pepper, 1 egg yolk, then mix it well. Add flour. Okay, now my dough is ready. It's smoothie and silky. So add some flour, then roll it. This is the authentic way how to make the gnocchi. You can make it in home easily, very easily. Now I'm going to cut it into small pieces. Use knife. Put the size around 1 centimeter. Let's take some pork and place it a little bit for a nice shape. This is the perfect recipe, authentic and rustic. Okay, now my homemade gnocchi is ready. I will keep inside the bowl. Add some flour. Otherwise it will get stick again. fresh gnocchi pasta is ready. This is classic Italian way. Some more flour. Okay, now my gnocchi is ready. Now I'm going to make sauce for the gnocchi. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin gnocchi. So for the pumpkin gnocchi, I already made the fresh gnocchi, and I have roast pumpkin. I will cut into small pieces. For the pumpkin, season with the salt and pepper. Then keep inside the oven for the 15 minutes. It will be done. This dish is perfect for the vegetarians. Then I have some French onion cut in julienne. If you don't have a red onion, use white onion, doesn't matter, but red onion will give in very strong flavors for the gnocchi. I have whole garlic, just crush. Then I have some fresh basil. Chop it roughly. Okay, now all preparations are ready for the sauce. Let's go. Okay, now I'm going to make my gnocchi. So boiled water is ready. For the boiled water, add some oil and some salt. For my preheated pan, I'll add some olive oil. With some butter. First I will add onion and garlic. Pumpkin also. This recipe is vegetable. If you want, if you like, you can add chicken or bacon or any kind of meat for the more taste. In this recipe, I am targeting only vegetarian. Okay. Now add your gnocchi into water. It's take only just 1 minute for the cook. That's it. Saute your vegetable until getting brown. In this stage you can feel the aroma of onion and garlic. So now add some white wine. This is optional if you have. with some white rice. Now you can see gnocchi is coming up. It's mean it's ready. It's already cooked. So you can remove it from water. That's the way how we identify it's cooked or not. When it's ready, it's coming up. Very easy. Then I'm gonna add some fresh cream. Some salt, some pepper, then add our gnocchi also. Basil leaves. Now you can see the sauce is getting thick and beautiful light yellow color also. Okay, now our pasta is ready. Finally, add some butter to get silkiness, silky texture to into your sauce. Okay, our pasta is ready. Finally, add some parmesan cheese, shredded parmesan. If you have a powder or block, doesn't matter. Okay, I'm going to test my homemade gnocchi with pumpkin. Cheesy, creamy, it's so delicious. I've suggested this one for vegetarians. If you are vegan, don't use fresh cream, you can use coconut cream. So it's very beautiful and marvelous recipe. Try it. Pumpkin gnocchi.